And like I said, it's really difficult because of this bench seat, but if I put this side on, y'all will see cup holder go down. So it'd be like this. It'll hide the EQ. Well, I'm not gonna say it's gonna hide the EQ because the EQ gonna be in here. So 2 right there. So I'm gonna have to move. I'm thinking move the seat up to try to access them. But I'm finna let y'all watch me struggle, if I struggle. As y'all can see, and my bench seat is removed. You know what I'm saying? So now the only thing I gotta do is custom make the center console, put it in there, and then put my seat back in.
Forgive me if I leave you, I'm just doing what my heart said. I'm not who I used to be no more, now I move cautious.
What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now the video before the last one, y'all seen me make a custom center console template. Now I literally just finished, but I went ahead and remade the template, and to me this one is a lot better. I notched the side parts where the transmission tunnel is, notched some of that. I even made a middle piece. I'm finna show y'all the entire piece I made in just 1 second, and I'm gonna show y'all the piece that I made that first. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I went ahead and made a new template. So this video I'm just gonna be removing my bench seat to get the car ready to just slide in the custom center console whenever we make it. You know what I'm saying? So this video, like I said, nothing too crazy. We're just gonna be removing the bench seat, and I wanted to show y'all this new template I made. Now personally, like I said, this template is a whole lot better than the one I made yesterday. The one I made yesterday, I was kind of rushing it. I don't know why I was rushing it, but I was kind of rushing it. But this one, I literally took my time, and I think I got it perfect. You know what I'm saying? Perfect. So all I gotta do now is just get the wood and the material to wrap it and the cup holders. Then it'll be done. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this video, like I said, the only thing we're gonna be doing is removing the bench seat so I can get this bench seat out. And I'm gonna show y'all my old center console template that I made, the one I made yesterday, and then the one I just made right now. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it ain't too hard for me to remove these bench seats. Hopefully these bolts not too rusted and stuck. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. Like I said, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop, and won't miss no videos. And yeah, we're finna get right into this video, so I'll catch y'all in 1 second. Alright guys, so first, like I said, I want to show y'all the template that I made yesterday. So this is the one I made yesterday. It's not bad, you feel me? It's definitely not the best though, you know what I'm saying? This one not good. I could have done better, but like I said, I was rushing it. Don't know why I was rushing it, but I was. But this is my new one that I made. It's still in the side piece. I really taped it up all the way, but if y'all look here, this is my side panel for the passenger side, and if you look at it, I notched the part for the transmission tunnel, which is, you know what I'm saying, this little area here. So I went ahead and notched a little piece, and I made this one a little longer, you know what I'm saying, so the cup holders will have a little bit more space. They won't be crowded together like it is on this one. And this one, if y'all can tell, it comes in at like an angle. I didn't know if that would work right with the wood, because that's what I had to put in consideration this time, is when I'm using the wood's not gonna be able to bend like this or all that stuff. So yeah, I made a notch in this one and made it'll be straight, you know what I'm saying? So the cup holders got a little bit more length in them. The EQ gonna have a little more length in it, which is good, because I don't know if when I would have put the EQ in this one, how far on the edge it would have been. I want to leave a little space so the material will show on the side, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all look here, this is the driver's side, and I made a centerpiece, notched it for the transmission tunnel again. And if I lay this down, try to move this over a little bit, and I'm gonna put it all together in 1 second. But if I try to lay this down, it's kind of hard, because like I said, the bench seat don't really move, but as y'all can see, it'll come all the way over, and I got it'll be centered too as well, but no more bend on the side, so it'll be straight. I still have room for my knees, you know what I'm saying? Hit the gas, the brake, gas, brake, you know what I'm saying? So I still got room to move. And like I said, with the EQ, if y'all look, it'll give it space on the sides to where material still shows. So I'm gonna have it like dead in the center. And I was thinking about also, I might go ahead and order a little cigarette lighter plug. I just don't know how to wire them, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. So I was thinking about ordering one, put it like right under the EQ. That way I have one of those as well. But yeah, so like I said, it'll be just like this. It'll be just like this, so it'll have just barely space right there between the radio and the center console, which is what I wanted. So it'll be just like this is how it'll sit. You know what I'm saying? Just like this. So like I said, 1,000 times better than this one I made. And like I say, it's a little bigger, but honestly I don't mind it. You feel me? It's gonna cover up the center. Plus ain't nobody gonna be sitting in this middle seat anyways. You feel me? So yeah. The sides, I was thinking about doing a speaker on the side, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? I got my dash speakers, and then I got 4 in my rear deck, so I don't think I'm gonna put 2 more. I feel like it'd be overkill. Plus my music already loud enough for me. I don't want it too loud. You know what I'm saying? My preference. You know what I'm saying? And also, once I finish this, I'm gonna hide them wires better. I just really haven't really had time to really do it or really focus on do it. So. Or doing it, I should say. So yeah, like I said, I remade this and it looks 1,000 times better. And if I try to put this side on, and like I said, it's really difficult because of this bench seat, but if I put this side on, y'all will see cup holder go down. So it'd be like this. It'll hide the EQ. Well, I'm not gonna say it's gonna hide the EQ because the EQ gonna be in here. But like I said, I'm thinking about putting maybe one here, or if not one here, but a cigarette port lighter plug. So I'm gonna just look up some on Amazon and see what I can find. You feel me? So yep, I got the template made. Now I just need to remove this bench seat. So let me try to get started on it, then I'm gonna come back to y'all and then show y'all how to remove the bench seat if y'all don't know. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, hope y'all enjoy. You feel me? Got a new center console template made. Now I just gotta go get the wood and the material, and we're gonna get that show on the road. So y'all stay tuned, and I'm finna get ready to remove this bench seat. So give me 1 second. All right guys, so I'm thinking it's just 4 bolts. So 1 here, then it's gonna be 1 over there on the driver's side at the door. Then if we move to the back, ouch, trying to do this one-handed, it's not good. But if we move to the back, I think it's 2 under here. Let me see if I can get my flashlight for y'all. So 2 right there. So I'm gonna have to move, I'm thinking move the seat up to try to access them. So 2 there, 2 over there, and then 2 up front. So I'm thinking it's just 6 bolts. Hopefully that's all it is, you know what I'm saying? So throw all this stuff away. Ain't gonna need no more of this. So let me try and remove some of these, then I'm gonna come back with y'all with an update to see how far I got. Hopefully I can get this done though. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully it'll be easy to put back in whenever I get my center console in. If not, this gonna be a fail. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned, and I'm gonna see where I can get, then I'm gonna come back to y'all for another update. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling for a second because of the socket set that I was just using. Y'all know this one, the one I'm always using, the one that's a mess. But I forgot I had just went and bought a new socket set from Harbor Freight literally like a month and a half, 2 months ago. And this one squeezed in the tighter places, which this is the socket set I used when I was changing my spark plugs because I couldn't get between my headers, and I forgot I got this one. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me for a second. If I struggle, y'all gonna watch me struggle, but hopefully I can get it because I got these 2 bolts back here. And like I said, hopefully, I know y'all probably can't see, but I'm finna let y'all watch me struggle if I struggle. Hopefully it comes right out because like I said, I got a different socket set up on here. I think I'm tightening it. And look at that. Now I can get into tighter places because I forgot, me just being me, I forgot all about this socket set. You know what I'm saying? So as of right now, I'm not having to move my seats at all. So everything is coming out, like I said, really easily and really good. You know what I'm saying? So, and I'm probably gonna vacuum under this seat while I have it out, but I probably won't make a video on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm probably just gonna do it off camera. But I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I found some change under here too. Look at that. Look at all that change. Free money. It's gonna help towards the bill. Oh man. Let me try and get this boat out. And like I told you, there's two boats right here. One on the outside, one on the inside. And you definitely gonna need your flashlight because I couldn't see nothing. Alright. And got this one off. As y'all can see, it's just a boat head. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing too crazy. But got that one off. Now I just gotta get this second one off. And the bad thing about that is I can't see. And there's not a lot of wiggle room either. So this one is gonna be a little tougher. So I'm gonna come back to y'all again with another update. Hopefully the next update I give y'all will be me having the bench seats completely out. So yeah, let me try and finish this up and I'm gonna come back to y'all again for another update. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna have to do my outro in the back of the car because if y'all can tell, we have the bench seat fully removed, both sides. You know what I'm saying? I can lift it up and it come out. And I'm not gonna remove it all the way right now, you know, so I'm just gonna leave it like this, hanging. But like I told y'all, in the back is two bolts each side. So two over there, 4. Then in the front, I have to remove this little cap covering it, but it's one here and then one over there. So total 6 bolts you got to remove. Not too hard. The only one that was hard, well actually it was 2 because it was one on each side, but the only one that was hard was the one that was between the 2 rails. So it's one between 2 rails, one on the outside of the rail. So the one between the 2 rails, I literally had to do quarter turns, you know what I'm saying? But got them out, got them done, as y'all can see, and my bench seat is removed, you know what I'm saying? So now the only thing I got to do is custom make the center console, put it in there, and then put my seat back in. And as y'all know, I want to remove these, change these seats out anyways, because I want to do, I know a lot of people is telling me like other cars seats work, you know what I'm saying, they'll bolt straight up or little fabrication, but I want some more Capri seats, box Chevy seats, you know what I'm saying, but instead of the bench I want the 2 seats. You know what I'm saying? I don't want another car seat in here. I want another box Chevy seat in here. So that's the only reason why I haven't really just went and got any car seats. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to find a box Chevy with blue interior, which is hard to find. That's being junked or trashed, you know what I'm saying, or parted out. It's hard to find. So that's why I'm just taking my time. I'm gonna rock out with the bench seats for now. I don't mind it. But until I can find some, like I said, we're just gonna rock out with the bench seats. But I got it removed, like I said, as y'all can see, got it removed. Now the only thing I gotta do, custom make the center console. So y'all stay tuned for that video. That video will be coming really soon, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to go and get the material this week, and then we're gonna start cutting. And I don't know if I have enough material here to start wrapping. So if I don't have enough material to start wrapping, I'm not gonna wrap it. I'm gonna just like cut out the pieces. But where's my phone? In my Amazon cart, I went ahead and put everything that I need up in the cart, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I'm gonna get them plugs right there, which is $16 for 2 of them, and then the cup holders. So that's all I need besides the material. Like I said, I got to get the material. So I'm gonna look up some more material, see what material I find and what kind I want to do. I like this suede and the blue, the color of it and everything, even though it's a little off from my headliner, as y'all can see, it's a little off, but I still like that material, you know what I'm saying? So, but like I said, it's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Didn't really do nothing, but we removed the bench seats, which is something I really needed, you feel me? I needed to do. And while I'm talking, I need to go ahead and take another picture. Oh, and I need to go ahead and say, if my bench seat will recline like this, which I know it don't. Y'all already told me you can't recline a bench seat. All you can do is move them forward and backwards. But if I can get it to recline like that, I wouldn't need no more seats. That's the only reason why I want to change this seat out, is because it don't recline, and I'm so far into the steering wheel, you know what I'm saying? But if I can get it to recline like that, man, that'll be hard. If y'all can think of like some way I could fabricate it, or like bend it to where it'll recline a little bit. If I can recline it like this, you know what I'm saying, have it back like that, I wouldn't try to find no more seats. I'll just rock out with these if I can recline them. But that's the only reason why I want different seats, is so I can recline my seat, you know what I'm saying, and go forward and backwards a little bit more. But other than that, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. Like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Got the bench seat basically removed. All I gotta do is just pull it out, which I'm not even gonna pull it out. I'm gonna just scoot it back and then slide the center console in and then put my seats back in. So yeah, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed, man. It's gonna be the end of this one. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, the way you'll be notified every time I drop. And like I told y'all, anything and everything I get, do, and discover with these cars, I'm recording it for y'all. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoy. Join the family. We finna grow. Go subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I created a second channel. It's Deuce Got Bounce. I'm gonna use it for like basketball, maybe a little bit of vlogs sometimes. So y'all just stay tuned. And yeah, it's gonna be the end of this one. Like I said, keep God first. God bless. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.